Today, we'll be taking a look at the door lock on this LG front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. First, we'll open the door. Go ahead and open it up. And we're going to need to push the seal in and remove the door switch. In order to push the seal in, it is held on by one kind of clamp ring on the bottom. Just use a pair of pliers and peel it off. Then lift up on the bellows and lift it off the ledges so you can slide it inside. Now with the seal pushed in, we have clear access to the door lock. Now the main reason why you'd be replacing your door lock is if the unit is not locking. You may look inside to see if something is damaged inside where the pin goes in. You may not be getting proper voltage because the wiring could be damaged. So what I want you to do is remove the door lock by taking out these two Phillips screws. Pull out on the lock and check your wiring on the back. If the wiring looks good and you are getting the proper voltage, the chances are the door lock will need to be replaced. To replace it, simply pinch your Molex, pull it off, and set the door lock to the side. When installing a new door lock, first we will find out where the locking pin goes for the Molex and reattach it accordingly. Then we will flip it around, slide it behind the seal, and then we're going to push it in place behind here. See, it fits in there nicely. Start to reinstall your screws. We'll tighten up the first one. Tighten up the second one. Now, with the lock installed, we'll go ahead and reinstall the bellow ring. With the lock installed, we'll reinstall the bellow ring. We'll need to pull the bellow ring out and slide it over the lip here. So just kind of peel back and run your finger across it. Once you have it all the way around, we will reinstall the spring. And in order to do this, we're going to use a small stubby screwdriver and a pair of pliers. I'm going to put the ring in the slotted area around the door seal and get it where it's lined up directly in the middle. I'm going to use a small screwdriver to put it inside the spring hole, prop it with my leg, hold on to the spring at the top, start to stretch it over, all the way around. Make sure the door closes, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.